We are taking R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 11th, Chapter 11, Trigonometric Equations. Exercise is 11.1. The first is sine theta is equal to half. We know that half, what is the sine of pi by 6, sine 30 degree is half. So you can write sine theta equal to sine pi by 6, and we know the formula of sine theta equal to sine alpha. This we are going to use number of times in coming questions. So just we need to just directly use the formula. So this theta will be n pi plus minus 1 to the power n alpha. So n pi plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 6. So this is your alpha. Cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So what you can do here is, first of all, you can write it like this. Minus, you know that cos pi by 6, that is cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Now this is minus, so you can write it as all school to college. So cos pi plus theta, because cos is negative here, so cos pi plus theta is negative, so you can write this as cos. We are just eliminating this negative sign, cos pi plus pi by 6. What is pi plus pi by 6? 6 pi plus pi, 7 pi by 6. So this is 7 pi by 6. What is cos theta equal to cos alpha? The formula is theta is 2 9 pi plus minus 7 pi by 6. This is your alpha. Cosec theta is equal to minus root 2. Cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. So now sin theta will be the reciprocal of this one, minus 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 can be written as sin pi by 4. We know sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Now this all school to college. Now sin pi plus theta. Sin pi plus theta, here we used sin pi plus pi by 6. Cos pi plus pi by 6. Here we are going to use sin pi plus pi by 6. So pi plus pi by 6, sin will be negative here. So in order to remove this, we can write this as sin pi plus pi by 6, pi by 4. So what do you get here? This pi plus pi by 4 is 5 pi by 4. So sin theta is sin 5 pi by 4. Now this is theta, this is alpha. You can write it as theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n plus 1 pi by 4. Now how this has come? There is another way. I'll just tell you another way. You can write this as, because sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So here you can write this as, if you don't want to do this, you can write it like this, sin minus pi by 4. So the solution will be n pi plus minus 1 to the power n minus pi by 4. Now you can write this as n pi plus minus 1 to the power n, and this minus 1 to the power 1 and pi by 4. Now this n and 1 will be added. So n pi plus minus 1 n to the power n and 1 will be added. So minus 1 to the power n plus 1 and this pi by 4. So this is your result. Sec theta is root 2. So sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. So cos theta will be 1 by root 2. Now this 1 by root 2 can be written as cos pi by 4. So directly you can write theta equal to 2n pi plus minus this pi by 4, which is your alpha. Next is tan theta is equal to minus 1 by root 3. Now 1 by root 3 can be written as pi by 6. So you can write it as tan theta equal to minus, this is minus, so minus 10 pi by 6. You can write it like this, minus 10 pi by 6. Now minus 10 minus theta is minus tan theta. So you can take this minus inside. So you can write it as 10 minus pi by 6. So now theta will be equal to, because this is tan theta tan alpha equal to tan alpha, theta will be n pi plus minus pi by 6. So you can just write it as theta equal to n pi minus pi by 6. Now root 3 sec theta is equal to 2. So 1 by this, you can write it as 1 by cos theta. Root 3 you can take in the denominator. 1 by cos theta is 2 by root 3. Now cos theta will be equal to a reciprocal of this. That is root 3 by 2. Now root 3 by 2 is what? Cos 30 degree. So cos pi by 6 you can write. Cos pi by 6. This is root 3 by 2 is cos pi by 6. Now theta and alpha is there. Theta equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 6. Now sin 2 theta is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is simply sin pi by 3, that is sin 60 degree. So 2 theta will be equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n, this pi by 3. Now you can divide both sides by 2. So this will be 6, this will be 2. N pi by 2 plus minus 1 to the power n pi by 6. You have to write everywhere n belongs to capital Z. cos 3 theta equal to 1 by 2. Now half is nothing but cos 60 degree, cos pi by 3. So cos 3 theta will be equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. Now divide both sides by 3. What do you get? 2n pi by 3 and pi by 9. 3 into 3 is 9. Pi by 9. Sin 9 theta equal to sin theta. So now you bring it here. Sin c minus sin d formula. You just use the formula 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. You get this one as 2 cos 5 theta sin 4 theta. Now this is equal to 0, that means 2 cannot be 0. So cos 5 theta, either this is 0 or sin 4 theta is 0. So cos 5 theta equal to 0 means 5 theta is 2n plus 1 pi by 2, or 4 theta will be equal to 0. Sin 4 theta, that is sin theta equal to 0, that means theta equal to n pi. Here theta is 4 theta. So 4 theta is equal to n pi. So divide this by both sides by 5. So you get 2n plus 1 pi by 10. Here pi by 10. And divide for both by 4. So you get theta equal to n pi by 4. Now sin 2 theta is cos 3 theta. So now you can bring this here and bring this here. So cos theta will be equal to sin 2 theta. Now sin 2 theta can be written as cos pi by 2 minus theta, because cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta is eventually sin 2 theta only. So what do you get here? Pi by 2 minus theta. So 3 theta will be equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now once you will take the positive sign and other time you will take the negative sign. I'll do it for you. So 3 theta, I am taking positive sign here. 3 theta will be equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2 minus 2 theta. 2 theta comes here. 3 theta plus 2 theta is 5 theta. Equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. Now you can take from here this pi by 2 common. So pi by 2, when you take pi by 2 common, so if I take pi by 2 common, 2 will come here. So it will be pi by 2 and 4n plus 1. Now divide both sides by 5. So theta will be equal to pi by 10 and 4n plus 1. This is your solution. Now coming to this negative sign, we are taking negative sign here. So 5 theta will be equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So what do you get? This is 3 theta. 3 theta will be equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2 and plus 2 theta. So 2 theta goes here, 3 theta minus 2 theta is theta. Theta will be equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2. Now you can take pi by 2 common. It will be 4n minus 1. So these are the two solutions. Next is tan theta plus cot 2 theta equal to 0. So bring it here. It will be minus cot 2 theta. That is cot 2 theta is minus tan theta. I am bringing minus here and changing the positions. LHS to RHS. So cos 2 theta is minus tan theta. Or you can just write this as tan 2 theta is cot theta. It doesn't matter. So tan 2 theta is cot 2 theta. Why we wrote this? Because we want to convert this tan theta. I'll just show you. Tan theta is equal to minus cot 2 theta. Now this can be written as minus 1 by tan 2 theta, and this can be written as cot theta. So you have tan 2 theta equal to minus cot theta. That's what we have written here. That's what we've written here. But we know that cot theta is sin this tan pi by 2 minus theta. That is tan pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta. So in cot theta we are writing tan pi by 2 minus theta. Now we are bringing minus here. So if I bring minus inside, minus goes inside, so it will be minus pi by 2 plus theta. So I can write it as tan theta minus pi by 2. So tan theta minus pi by 2 it is. So tan 2 theta is tan theta minus pi by 2. Now we have the result. 2 theta is n pi plus theta minus pi by 2. And theta goes here. So 2 theta minus theta is theta. So it will be n pi minus pi by 2. Tan 3 theta is cot theta. Now in this cot theta you can write tan pi by 2 minus theta, because we know tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So tan pi by 2 minus theta is cot theta. Now here this 3 theta will become n pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Now bring this here. This will become 4 theta. 4 theta is n pi plus pi by 2. Divide both sides by 4. So you get theta equal to n pi by 4 plus pi by 2 into 4, that is pi by 8. tan 2 theta into tan theta is 1. So bring this here. You can bring this here. So 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Now this cot theta can be written as tan pi by 2 minus theta, because tan 90 minus theta is cot theta only. So this is tan pi by 2 minus theta. So 2 theta will be equal to n pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Theta goes here, it will be 3 theta. 3 theta is n pi plus pi by 2. Now divide both sides by 3. It will be n pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Tan m theta plus cot m theta. So tan m theta can be written as sin m theta by cos m theta. And cot n theta will be written as cos n theta by sin n theta. Now take the cross multiplication like this. Sin m theta, sin n theta plus this cos m theta into cos n theta by cos m theta sin n theta equal to 0. So when this is equal to 0, that means this has to be 0. This doesn't matter. This has to be 0. So we have sin n theta plus sin n theta plus cos n theta equals 0. But this is the formula of cos m minus 1 theta. That is cos m theta minus n theta. We have taken theta common. So cos m minus theta equal to 0. That means m minus 1 theta is 2k plus 1 pi by. Because m and n we have already used. So we are using k here. So m minus 1 theta is 2k plus 1 by 2 pi. That is 2n plus 1 pi by 2, which we have learned. Now bring this m minus 1 in the denominator. You get 2k plus 1 by 2m minus 1. Where this k, m and n, they all belongs to the z, capital Z. Or specifically this k belongs to z, not m and n. They can be real also. Tan p theta equal to cot q theta. Now this cot can be written as tan pi by 2 minus q theta. This tan 90 minus theta is cot theta only. So p theta is simply equal to tan n pi plus minus pi by 2 minus q theta. So what you can do here is, if you take the positive sign, here n pi plus pi by 2 minus q theta, you bring q theta here. It will be p theta plus q theta. So you can take theta common, p plus q theta. And here what remains? N pi plus pi by 2. Now you can bring this down. So it will be 2n plus 1 pi by 2. We are taking pi by 2 common from here. If you take pi by 2 common from here, n pi plus pi by 2. If I take pi by 2 common, this will be 1 and this will be 2n. Now bring this p plus q in the denominator. So you get 2n plus 1 by p plus q pi by 2. We have sin 2 theta plus cos theta equal to 0. So now you can write this cos theta equal to minus sin 2 theta. This cos theta, now here see, this sin 2 theta can be written as cos pi by 2 plus theta, because we know all sugar to coffee, all school to college. So cos pi by 2 plus theta, here it will be negative. So we can write this as cos pi by 2 plus theta. Right? So now you can just solve it. Theta will be equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 2. This is 2 theta plus 2 theta. Okay, take the positive sign. First we'll take the positive sign. So this theta will be equal to 2n pi. I am taking the positive sign here. This will be plus pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Now bring this 2 theta here. Theta minus 2 theta is minus theta. It will be 2n pi plus pi by 2. Now bring this minus here, or multiply both sides by minus 1. Theta will be equal to minus 2 pi, 2n pi minus pi by 2. So now you can take this minus n as some m. You can take it always, because n and m both belongs to capital Z. It doesn't matter. So minus n we are taking it as m. So it will be 2 minus n is m. So 2m pi minus pi by 2. So this is the first one. Now taking the negative sign. When we take the negative sign, it will be theta equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Theta will be equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Now this bring 2 theta here. Theta plus 2 theta is 3 theta equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2. Right? So now divide both sides by 3. So theta will be equal to 2n pi by 3 minus pi by 6. This is one solution. This is another solution. We have sin theta equal to tan theta. So tan theta can be written as what? It can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So now this is sin theta minus this is sin theta cos theta equal to 0. Sin theta, let us take it common. 1 by c equal to 0. Sin theta, cos theta minus 1 by cos theta equal to 0. So when this is 0, either sin is 0 or cos minus 1 is 0. This cannot be 0. So either sin theta is 0 or cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. Sin theta equal to 0, just give theta equal to n pi. And cos theta minus 1 gives, you take 1 here. This is 1. So 1 is what? Cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So cos theta is cos 0. So you get theta equal to 2m pi. So these are the two solutions. Here you have to take n, here you have to take m. Different n and m you have to take. Next one is cos 3 theta. This is sin. Sin 3 theta plus cos 2 theta equal to 0. Now here if you see, in this, we have taken cos 2x here and this one here, sin 3 theta on this side. So what do you get? You get cos 2x equal to minus 2 sin 3x. So this cos 2x, I am writing theta now. Theta can be written as, this sin 3x can be written as cos pi by 2 plus 3 theta. Why? Because cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta, which is minus sin 3x. Now you can use the equation identity 2n pi plus minus this pi by 2 plus 3 theta. So first let us take the positive sign. So 2 theta, I am taking the positive sign. 2 theta will be equal to 2n pi plus positive sign, and you have positive sign and pi by 2 plus 3 theta. Now 3 theta comes here, so it will be minus theta. 2 theta minus 3 theta is minus theta. Is 2n pi plus pi by 2. So now take minus here, multiply minus both sides. Theta will be equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2. Now this minus n can be taken as some m. This minus n will be m, so 2m pi minus pi by 2. So this is our first solution, where n and m belong to capital Z. Now take the negative side. 2 theta will be equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2 minus 3 theta. So 2 theta will be equal to 2n pi minus pi by 2. This 3 theta is negative, sorry, plus it is. So it will be minus 3 theta. Now bring it here. It will be 5 theta. This 2n pi minus pi by 2. Now divide both sides by 5. Theta will be equal to 2n pi by 5 minus pi by 10. Pi by 10. So this is another solution. This one and this one. Sin square theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. Now here we will do sin square theta, we'll put as 1 minus cos square theta. We'll try to make it as a quadratic equation. So here we have put sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. The minus cos theta is 1 by 4. Now this minus cos square theta, you can write it as like this. This 1. So it will be minus cos square theta plus 1. And I am bringing this 1 by 4 here. So it will be minus 1 by 4. So minus cos square theta minus cos theta, and this will be 4 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Now multiplying both sides by minus 1, we get c cos square theta minus cos theta minus plus cos theta minus 3 by 4 equal to 0. So this is here. Now multiply both sides by 4. It will be 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos theta minus 4 gets cancelled minus 3 equal to 0. So this is our equation. So we have 4th is a 12. So 6 to the 12. We can put it like 6 and 2 to get 4. So 4 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 3 equal to 0. From here take 2 cos theta common from these two. 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta. What do you get? 2 cos theta plus 3. From here take minus 1 common. You get cos theta plus, this is 2 cos theta plus 3. So do you get 2 cos theta minus 1 and 2 cos theta plus 3. So either this is 0 or that is 0. So 2 cos theta minus 1 is simply cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. 1 comes here, 2 gets divided. So cos theta is cos pi by 3 because cos 60 degree is half. So we get a direct solution, theta equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. In this case 2 cos theta plus 3 equal to 0, that is cos theta is minus 3 by 2, that is minus 1.5. But this is not the value of cos theta. We know that cos theta is in between, is equal to 1 or minus 1 and in between. So this is the value which is not achievable. So we discard this value. So this is the answer. 2 cos square theta minus pi cos theta plus 2 equal to 0. So what we will do? we'll write this minus 5 cos theta as minus 4 cos theta minus cos theta in order to factorize it. Now take 2 cos theta common from these two. So you get 2 cos theta minus 2. From here you take minus 1 common, you get cos theta minus 2. So what do you get? 2 cos theta minus 1 and cos theta minus 2. So either this is 0 or this one is 0. So 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is cos theta will be 1 by 2. Here cos theta equal to 2, cos theta minus 2 equal to 0, that means cos theta is equal to 2. But this is not achievable because cos theta always remains between 1 and minus 1 and inclusive of minus 1 and 1. So this value we discard. So 2 cos theta minus 1, that means cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 2 is simply cos 60 degree. So cos pi by 3. So the solution will be theta equal to 2 n pi plus minus pi by 3. 2 sin square x plus root 3 cos x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is sin and this is cos. First we have to make this all as cos. So in this sin square theta we are writing 1 minus cos square theta. For this sin square theta we are writing 1 minus cos square theta. So this will become 2, I'll just write it for you. 2 minus 2 cos square theta plus root 3 cos plus 1 equal to 0. So you get a 2 cos square and this is root 3 cos and 2 plus 1 is 3. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. So you get 2 cos square minus root 3 cos x minus 3 equal to 0. So this is your quadratic equation, this one. Now you can write this root 3 as minus 2 root 3 plus root 3. This will give you root 3 and 2 root 3 into root 3 is simply 2 into 3, that is 6. So this 2 into 3 is 6 and 2 root 3 and 3 is also, root 3 is also 6. So you can write it as minus 2 root 3 cos x plus root 3 cos x. From here you can take 2 cos x as common. So 2 cos x common, so you get cos x minus root 3. Here also you can take root 3 as common. When you take root 3 it will be cos x and this root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So you can write it as root 3 here. Now you make the factors 2 cos x plus root 3, this one, and cos x minus root 3. Here this gives you cos x minus root 3, that means cos x equal to root 3 and we know that cos x is between minus 1 and plus 1. So this is discarded. This value is not the solution. But we have cos x equal to minus root 3 by 2. See, 2 cos x plus root 3 equal to 0. So 2 cos x will be equal to minus root 3 and cos x will be equal to minus root 3 by 2. And this root 3 by 2 can be written as pi by 6, cos pi by 6. But for minus, we can write it as cos pi minus pi by 6 because cos pi minus theta, cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. That is why we have written this as cos pi minus pi by 6. So this is simply 5 pi by 6. So cos 5 pi by 6, now you can write the equation x equal to 2 n pi plus minus 5 pi by 6. 4 sin square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Now we have to make it as cos or sin. So first we will convert this sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta. So you get 4 1 minus cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. So this will give you 4 minus 4 cos square theta minus 8 cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. This 4 and 1 become 5. This is minus cos square theta, minus 4 cos square theta is minus 8 cos theta. Now multiply both sides by minus 1. You get 4 cos square theta plus 8 cos theta minus 5 equal to 0. This is our equation we need to factorize. Now this is 4 5 is 20. Now 10 into 2 is also 20. So you can write in place of 8, 10 cos theta minus 2 cos theta. So you get 4 cos square theta plus 10 cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 5 equal to 0. From here you can take 2 cos theta common. You take 2 cos theta common, you get 2 cos theta plus 5. From here you take minus 1 common. Minus 1 common, you get 2 cos theta plus 5. So the factors will become 2 cos theta minus 1 and 2 cos theta plus 5. So here 2 cos theta plus 5, that means 2 cos theta equal to minus 5 and cos theta will be equal to minus 5 by 2. But this is minus 2.5 and this is unachievable. Cos theta, this minus 2.5 will never be cos any value of cos because cos theta always lies between minus 1 and 1. So this value is discarded. Coming to this one, 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is cos theta will be 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 we can write it simply as cos 60 degree, that is cos pi by 3. So cos theta is cos pi by 3, that means theta will be equal to 2 n pi plus minus pi by 3. Now tan square plus 1 minus root 3 tan x minus root 3. Now just open this. This will be tan x minus root 3 tan x. So tan x minus root 3 tan x. From here take tan x common. From here you take root 3 common. So tan x we take common, tan x plus 1 will come inside, and from here if you take root 3 common or minus root 3 common, you get tan x plus 1. So you have tan x minus root 3 and 10x plus 1. These are the two factors. So from here you get 10x minus root 3, that means 10x is equal to root 3. Root 3 is simply tan 60 degree. So tan 60 degree you can write 10 pi by 3. So this is simply solution x equal to n pi plus pi by 3. And you can use n here. For here 10x equal to minus 1. For this 1 you can write 10 pi by 4. But we know that minus tan theta is 10 theta, means minus tan theta is equal to 10 minus theta, right? Minus tan theta is 10 minus theta. So just put this minus here. So we write x equal to here n pi plus pi by 3 we have written, here m pi plus minus of pi by 4. So it will be x equal to m pi minus of pi by 4. 3 cos square theta minus 2 root 3 sin theta cos theta minus 3 sin square theta. Now divide whole equation by root 3. So what do you get here? 3 by root 3. Multiply both numerator denominator by root 3, you get 3 root 3. Root 3 is 3. So you get root 3 here. So when you divide it by root 3, you get a root 3. Similarly here, 3 by root 3 is root 3. And here 2 root 3 by root 3, simply root 3 will cancel. So you will get 10. So root 3 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta sin theta cos theta minus root 3 sin square theta equal to 0. This is what you get. Now this minus 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin theta cos theta minus 3 cos sin theta cos theta, because sin theta cos theta minus 3 sin theta cos theta is minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now from here you take cos theta common, you get root 3 cos theta plus sin theta. From here you take root 3 sin theta, So when you take root 3 sin theta, you have to put a root 3 here, because root 3 will be 3. Here root 3 you have taken common and sin theta will be here. So you have two factors, cos theta minus root 3 sin theta and root 3 cos theta plus sin theta. So from here what do you get? See, this root 3 cos theta plus sin theta, I'll just tell you how this has come. Root 3 cos theta plus sin theta equal to 0. So now root 3 cos theta equal to minus sin theta. Now take cos here. So this will be root 3 equal to minus tan theta, or tan theta will be equal to minus root 3. So this is what you have got. Tan theta equal to minus root 3, in place of root 3 you can write this as tan 60 degree, so 10 pi by 3, and minus you can take inside because minus tan theta is 10 minus theta. So you get theta equal to n pi minus of pi by 3, because this is minus pi by 3. Here cos theta minus root 3 sin theta equal to 0, again same thing, cos theta minus root 3 sin theta equal to 0. So cos theta will be equal to root 3 sin theta, and this root 3 you take it here, cos here. So 1 by root 3 will be equal to sin by cos. So tan theta is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is what? It is tan 30 degree, or tan pi by 6. So you have tan theta as 10 pi by 6. So simple solution is theta equal to m pi plus pi by 6. Here you have to take m, here you have to take n. Now cos theta is equal to cos 4 theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Now bring it here. Now use the formula. You know that formula of cos 4 theta minus cos theta is simply 2 sin this plus this by 2, this minus this by 2. So you have 2 sin theta sin 3 theta. Now either sin theta is 0, so you get theta equal to n pi, or sin 3 theta equal to 0, that is 3 theta is m pi. So this theta will be equal to m pi by 3. These are the solution. Cos theta plus cos 2 theta plus cos 3 theta. So what we will do, we will try to get cos 2 theta from cos theta and cos 3 theta. So what do you get? This cos 2 theta we are taking it here, and cos theta plus cos 3 theta we are using the formula. So it will be 2 cos 2 theta cos theta. We have learned it a lot, so I am just writing the final result. So this will be 2 cos 2 theta cos theta. Now take cos 2 theta cos 2 theta common from here. Cos 2 theta you take common. So you get 1 plus 2 cos theta equal to 0. So either cos 2 theta is 0 or 1 plus 2 cos theta equal to 0. Cos 2 theta equal to 0 simply means 2 theta is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. This is pi by 2. So take 2 in the denominator, you will get 2n plus 1 pi by 4. So this is one solution. Now coming here, 1 plus 2 cos theta. Cos theta will be equal to 2 cos theta is minus 1, and cos theta will be minus 1 by 2. In place of this half, you can write, what is this? You can write minus cos pi by 3, that is cos 60 degree. But minus cos pi by 3 can be written as cos pi minus pi by 3, because cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. So that is why we have written cos pi minus pi by 3. So pi minus pi by 3 is what? 3 pi minus pi, that is 2 pi by 3. So cos theta is cos 2 pi by 3. So theta will be equal to 2n pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. So this is another solution. You can always write this n as m if you want. Cos theta plus cos 3 theta minus cos 2 theta equal to 0. Same thing we are going to do. What we'll do, we'll take this cos 2 theta and we'll combine these two. So cos theta plus cos 3 theta, we know the formula. It will be 2 cos 2 theta cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Now take cos 2 theta cos 2 theta common. When you take it common, you will get 2 cos theta minus 1 inside. Now either cos 2 theta is 0 or 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0. So cos 2 theta equal to 0 means 2 theta is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Divide both sides by 2, you get 2n plus 1 pi by 4. Here 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is 2 cos theta is equal to 1. So cos theta will be equal to 1 by 2, and this 1 by 2 is simply cos pi by 3, cos 60 degree. So you get theta equal to 2m pi plus minus pi by 3. Now you have sin theta plus sin phi theta equal to sin 3 theta. Now bring this sin theta here as minus, and this sin theta plus sin phi theta can be added, means you use the formula like this. So it will be 2 sin 3 theta cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta equal to 0. Now take sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta common from this equation. Sin 3 theta we have taken common, so you get 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. So either this sin 3 theta is 0 or 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0. So sin 3 theta equal to 0 simply means 3 theta equal to n pi, that is theta equal to n pi by 3. We are dividing both sides by 3. Here 2 cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos theta will be equal to 1 and cos 2 theta will be equal to 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 is simply cos 60 degree, which is cos pi by 3. So 2 theta will be equal to 2m pi plus minus pi by 3. Now divide both sides by 2. You get theta equal to 2m by 2 by 2. So you get m pi and pi by 6. Here cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos 3 theta equal to 1 by 4. So we are writing this 1 by 4 as 1 by 2 into 2. And this taking 2 here. So 2 we have taken here, so 1 by 2 remains. Now this 2 cos theta and cos 3 theta, this was the formula of cos 4 theta plus cos 2 theta, this we already known. So now here this cos 4 theta we are writing as 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1, because we know that cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So if you make it at 4 theta, this will become 2 theta. So cos 4 theta is 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 plus cos theta. Now multiply inside. So you get 2 cos cube theta minus cos square 2 theta minus cos 2 theta equal to half, right? Now when you take this 2 cos cube theta, 2 cos cube 4 theta, let me tell you here. So what we have done, we have multiplied it inside. So you get 2 cos cube theta. Here you get minus, here you get plus cos square theta and minus cos 2 theta equal to half. Now multiply both sides by 2. So you get 4 cos square 2 theta, 2 cos square 2 theta minus 2 cos theta, right? And this is equal to, and taking minus 1 here, minus 1 here. So you get this, this is 4 cos cube theta. Now from here, take from these two, take 2 cos square 2 theta common. When you take 2 cos square 2 theta, this 2 cos theta will remain inside, and here you have taken already outside. Here in these two, you take minus 1 common. You get 2 cos 2 theta plus 1. So either this 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 equal to 0 or 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 equal to 0. So this 2 cos square 2 theta means minus 1 equal to 0 means cos square this 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 is the formula of what? It is simply cos 4 theta. So cos 4 theta is equal to 0. So 4 theta will be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Divide both sides by 4. You get 2n plus 1 pi by 8. Here 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 equal to 0. Take 1 here. So it will be minus 1 and divide by 2. So cos theta will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Cos 2 theta becomes cos, this is cos pi by 3 but minus. You can write it as cos pi minus pi by 3, because cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. And cos pi minus pi by 3 is cos 3 pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3. So 2 theta will be equal to 2m pi plus minus 2 pi by 3. Divide both sides by 2, you get 2m pi plus minus pi by 3. So these are two solutions. Theta plus sin theta is equal to cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta. Now we are bringing cos here and sin here. So we get cos theta minus cos 2 theta is equal to sin 2 theta minus sin theta. Now we use cos c minus cos d and sin c minus sin d formula. So we get this thing and bring it here and take 2 sin theta by 2. this one, and this one common from here. So what do you get? Either this sine theta by 2 is 0 or sine theta 3 theta by 2 minus cos 3 theta by 2 equal to 0. So sine theta by 2 equal to 0, that means theta by 2 equal to n pi, multiply both sides by 2, you get theta equal to 2n pi. How about this one? This is sine 3 theta by 2 minus cos 3 theta by 2. Now you can do divide both sides by cos 3 theta by 2. So cos 3 theta by 2, here cos 3 theta by 2, here also cos 3 theta by 2. So what do you get? Here you get 10, here you get 1, here you get 0. So tan 3 theta by 2 is equal to 1. So for 1 you can write 10 pi by 4 because tan 45 degree is 1. So 3 theta by 2 is equal to n pi plus of this pi by 4. Now multiply both sides by 2 by 3. So what do you get? This 2n pi by 6 plus pi by 6. 2n pi by 3 plus pi by 6. Now sine theta plus sine 2 theta plus sine 3 theta equal to 0. So we'll use this sine theta and sine 3 theta together. So sine 2 theta we keep it here, and sine theta plus sine 3 theta is 2 sine 2 theta cos theta. This is equal to 0. Now here this 2 sine 2 theta and sine 2 theta we are taking common. So this is multiplication. Sine 2 theta we take common. We get what? We get 1 plus 2 cos theta. So either this sine 2 theta is equal to 0 or 1 plus 2 cos theta equal to 0. Sine 2 theta equal to 0 means 2 theta is n pi. Okay, 2 theta is n pi, and 1 plus 2 cos theta equal to 0, that is cos theta is minus half. Take 1 here, that is minus 1, and divide by 2. So 2 theta equal to n pi means theta will be equal to n pi by 2, and this for half we can write cos pi by 3, and in order to make it minus we are writing cos pi minus pi by 3. So now theta becomes 2m pi plus minus 2 pi by 3 because pi minus pi by 3 is nothing but 2 pi by 3. Here we used n, here we have used m. Now sine theta plus sine 2 theta plus sine 3 theta plus sine 4 theta equal to 0. Now we take these two, sine 4x and sine 2x, even we take together, odd we take together. Now we use the formula of sine a plus sine b, and you know the sine a plus sine b we have already seen number of times. It would be this term. So you get 2 sine 3x cos x and 2 sine 2x cos x. Now you can take 2 cos x common from here. So do you get 2 cos x sine 3x plus sine 2x. Now again apply this sine a plus sine b formula. So this will be 2 sine this term, cos of this term. Now here 2 cos x, this you get sine, this is 5x by 2, and here you get cos x by 2. So either this cos x is equal to 0 or sine 5x by 2 equal to 0 or cos x by 2 is equal to 0. From here you get x will be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, and from here sine theta equal to 0, that means 5x by 2 equal to m pi, and here x by 2 equal to 2r plus 1 pi by 2. Why we have used r? Because n and m we have already used. You can use k also. So these are the result. You have to multiply this one both sides by 2 by 5, you get this one, and 2 gets cancelled. So this is 2r plus 1 into pi. Sine 3 theta minus sine theta is equal to 4 cos square theta minus 2. So this from here take 2 common. You get 2 cos square theta minus 1. And we know that this 2 cos square theta minus 1 is nothing but cos 2 theta. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. So here you write 2, here you write cos 2 theta. Now take this one here. So you get 2 cos 2 theta. Now take from here, if say this is minus equal to 0, you are taking 2 cos 2 theta common. So inside this sin theta minus 1 will remain. So here cos 2 theta is equal to 0 either, or sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Cos 2 theta equal to 0 means 2 theta is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So divide both sides by 2, you get 2n plus 1 pi by 4. Here sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, that is sin theta equal to 1, that is 1 can be written as sin pi by 2 because sin 90 is 1. So this solution will be theta equal to m pi plus minus 1 to the power m pi by 2. Sin 2x minus sin 4x plus sin cx equal to 0. So we combine these two together. Sin 2x plus sin 6x and minus sin 4x equal to 0. Now sin 2x plus sin 6x, we are applying the formula here. that is sin C plus sin D. You get 2 sin this plus this by 2 and this minus this by 2. So what do you get? Here 2 sin 4x cos 2x, and here we have already sin 4x. So you can take sin 4x common. Inside this we have 2 cos 2x minus 1. This either sin 4x equal to 0 or this 2 cos 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So sin 4x equal to 0 means 4x equal to n pi. So divide both sides by 4, you get x equal to n pi by 4. Here cos 2x equal to half. Half is what? Cos pi by 3, that is cos 60 degree. So 2x will be equal to n pi plus minus this pi by 6. Now you have tan x plus tan 2x equal to tan x plus tan 2x by 1 minus tan x tan 2x. So here what you have to do, you have to take this tan x plus tan 2x and tan x plus tan 2x common from here. When you take common, it will be tan x plus tan 2x, and inside this will be 1. So 1 plus 1 by 1 minus tan x tan 2x. So just solving this one, 1 plus 1 by 1 minus tan x tan 2x. What do you get? This goes here, 1 minus tan x tan 2x. This goes here, plus 1 by 1 minus tan x tan 2x. So this here you get 2 minus tan x tan 2x by 1 minus tan x tan 2x. And of course we have tan x plus tan 2x equal to 0. So this will not be 0, but 2 tan x, this 2 tan x 2 minus tan x tan 2x, that is this one, is 0, or tan x plus tan 2x equal to 0, this one. So we'll take them separately. Tan x equal to this tan x plus tan 2x means tan x equal to this is, let me show you this one, tan x plus tan 2x is equal to 0. So tan x will be equal to minus tan 2x. Now take minus inside, tan x will be equal to, because minus tan theta is tan minus theta, tan minus 2x. So when we have this kind of equation, so x equal to n pi minus 2x. So this is the solution, x, and bring this 2x here. So you get 2x plus x is 3x. So 3x is equal to n pi. Now divide both sides by 3. So you get x equal to n pi by 3. Now coming to this side, this is what we got, 2 minus tan x tan 2x is equal to 0. So tan x tan 2x is equal to 2. Now tan x is this one, tan 2x can be written as 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x equal to 2. Right? So bring this here. Tan x, 2 tan x, or this becomes tan x is 2 tan square x. 2 tan square x will be equal to, multiply this, 2 minus 2 tan square x. Now bring this here. So 2 tan square x and 2 tan square x will be 4 tan square x is equal to 2. 4 tan square x is equal to 2. So tan square x will be 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So tan square x is 1 by 2. And we know that 1 by 2 we can either write it as tan inverse 1 by root 2. This we can write in this place. So this x will be equal to m pi plus minus tan inverse 1 by root 2. Now we have tan theta plus tan 2 theta. Right? So here the question is like this, tan theta plus tan 2 theta equal to tan 3 theta. So this tan theta we have written as tan theta plus 2 theta. So this formula is tan theta plus tan 2 theta by 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta. Okay. This is tan theta plus tan 2 theta. Now bring it here. This will be tan theta plus tan 2 theta minus tan theta plus tan 2 theta by 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta. Now take tan theta plus tan 2 theta, tan theta plus tan 2 theta common from here. So we have taken a common here. So what is remaining when we take tan theta plus tan 2 theta common? You get 1 minus 1 by 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta. So this either tan theta plus tan 2 theta is equal to 0, or what do we get from here? 1 minus tan theta, this I am taking, 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta, and we have minus 1 by 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta. 1 gets cancelled, you have minus tan theta tan 2 theta by 1 minus tan theta tan 2 theta. So this will not be 0. Okay, so tan theta plus tan 2 theta, either this is 0 or this one is 0. Tan theta is 0 or tan 2 theta is 0. So tan theta is 0, tan 2 theta is 0, or tan theta plus tan 2 theta is 0. These are the three cases. So tan theta is 0 is simply theta equal to n pi. Tan 2 theta equal to 0 means this theta will be 2 theta will be equal to n pi. So what do you get? Theta equal to n pi by 2. So from 1 you get theta equal to n pi. From here you get theta is equal to n pi by 2. And coming here, tan theta plus tan 2 theta. So tan theta plus tan 2 theta. We are applying the formula again, tan 2 theta. If you see, this tan 2 theta we have used as 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So tan theta 2 tan theta by, we are applying this formula here. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 1 minus tan square theta. Now take 2 tan theta common from here. Tan theta, what do you get? 1 plus 2 by 1 minus tan square theta. So what do you get? Tan theta, this is 1 minus tan square theta, this is plus 2 by 1 minus tan square theta. So you get tan theta, here get 3 minus tan square theta, 3 minus tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta equal to 0. So this will not be 0, either tan theta is 0, so tan theta is equal to 0 already used. Here 3 minus tan square theta, so we use this one, 3 minus tan square theta equal to 0. So tan square theta is equal to 3. Tan theta is equal to plus minus root 3. Tan theta equal to plus minus root 3. You can use the value of root 3. You know that tan 60 is root 3. So you can use this value, and tan theta equal to tan alpha. This formula you can use. For this you can use this one time plus, one time minus, this tan pi by 3. Like this you can use, because this is root 3. We know that it is 60 degree. Tan 3 theta plus tan theta is equal to 2 tan theta. So this 2 tan theta we can write it as tan 2 theta plus tan 2 theta, because tan 2 theta plus tan 2 theta is nothing but 2 tan 2 theta. Now we are bringing it here, tan 2 theta here with tan 3 theta, and this tan theta we are bringing it here. We are 1 tan 2 theta we are taking it here. So tan theta minus tan 2 theta and tan 2 theta minus tan theta, we are bringing it here. Now here if you see this tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta, I am using the formula, and you will see same thing we are going to do here. This one. See, tan 3 theta minus 2 theta is what? Tan theta only. Tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta is this. Tan 3 theta minus 2 theta is tan theta only, and this is equal to tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta by 1 plus tan 3 theta tan 2 theta. So this we are taking it here, and this is of course tan theta. So this is tan theta into 1 plus tan 2 theta tan 3 theta equal to tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta. So tan 3 theta minus tan 2 theta, this can be written as tan theta into 1 plus tan 2 theta tan 3 theta. So exactly what we have written here, tan theta 1 plus tan theta tan 2 theta. Similarly, if we put here tan 2 theta minus theta, it will be tan 2 theta minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta tan 2 theta, and bring it here. So it will be tan theta 1 plus tan 2 theta tan theta. Now bring whole here and take tan theta common. When we take tan theta common, because it is tan theta common, and we are bringing it here. So 1 plus tan theta tan 3 theta tan 2 theta, and this will be minus because we are bringing it here. We have taken tan theta common. Just assume that we have done this. So tan theta common, and this will be negative, minus 1 minus tan 2 theta tan theta. So again you see this gets cancelled. So in this tan 3 theta tan 2 theta minus tan 2 theta tan theta, now we are taking tan 2 theta common. Tan 2 theta again taken common, so only tan theta minus tan theta will remain. So either this is 0 or this is 0 or this is 0. So tan 2 theta is equal to 0. So tan 2 theta is equal to 0. That means 2 theta is n pi. So we get, we divide both sides by 2. So you get theta as n pi by 2. Now the other one was tan 3 theta minus tan theta. So we bring it here. So tan theta equal to tan 3 theta equal to tan theta. So 3 theta will be equal to n pi plus theta. Now bring it here. 3 theta minus theta is 2 theta. So 2 theta is n pi, theta will be n pi by 2, same as here. Third one is tan theta equal to 0, this one. Tan theta is 0, simply theta will be equal to m pi. So these are the three solutions. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2. Now divide both sides by root 2. Like this. What do you get? 1 by root 2 sin theta, 1 by root 2 cos theta. Here you get 1. So 1 by root 2, we know that cos 45 degree and sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So we are writing it here. This is sin 45, cos 45. So this is the formula of cos theta minus pi by 4. This is nothing but the formula of cos theta minus pi by 4. And this 1 can be written as cos 0 because cos 0 is 1. So do you get cos theta equal to cos alpha formula. So theta minus pi by 4 is nothing but 2n pi. Bring it here. You get theta equal to 2n pi plus pi by 4. So if you want to take pi by 4 common, it will be 8n plus 1. If you take pi by 4, 4 will come here. That is pi is common and pi by 4 common. So 4 will come here. 4 2 is 8. 8n plus 1 will come. Here again divide both sides by 2. So root 3 by 2 cos theta plus half cos theta is 1 by 2. Now this root 3 by 2 we know that it is cos pi by 6, that is cos 30 degree. Half is sin 30 degree. So we are writing it here. In this place we are writing cos pi by 3 because half is cos 60 degree. Now this is the formula of cos theta minus pi by 6. So theta minus pi by 6 and pi by 3. So theta minus pi by 6 will be equal to 2n plus minus pi by 3. So bring it here. You get plus pi by 6. One time you take plus, one time you take negative. This is the result. We have already done this, so I am just writing the result because we have already seen this solution. Now divide both sides by root 2. So for this 1 by root 2, write sin 45 degree, sin pi by 4. For this, write cos pi by 4, that is cos 45 degree. This 1 by root 2 can be written as cos pi by 4, that is 1 by root 2. So cos theta minus pi by 4 is cos pi by 4. So now theta minus pi by 4 is simply 2n pi plus minus pi by 4. Now bring it here. So one time you take plus, one time you take minus, this 2 will come. Cosec theta equal to 1 plus cos theta. So cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta, and 1 plus cot theta can be written as cos by sin. So what do you get? 1 by sin equal to sin plus cos by sin. Sin gets cancelled. You get sin plus cos equal to 1. So sin plus cos equal to 1. Now divide both sides by root 2. So 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. This is sin pi by 4. This is cos pi by 4. Cos 45 degree and sin 45 degree, they are 1 by root 2. So this is the formula of cos theta minus pi by 4. 1 by root 2 is there, so you can write cos pi by 4 because cos is here. So theta minus pi by 4 is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4. Bring it here with minus sign. One time you take plus, one time you take minus. So you get these results. So this is the exercise 11.1 of R.D. Sharma solutions. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.